Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 108. Convert a sorted array to a binary search tree. Here given a vector nums, so you just have to make a BST from this nums array. Okay, so this is an easy question. First you have to find the value. First you have to find the size of in nums, and after that you just have to return the helper. I will make an helper function also, in which I just have to pass the nums comma 0 comma and -1. Okay, let's make this code. Let's make a tree node type function, tree node star helper vector comma int ampersand array, and you just have to do one thing, int low comma int high. Okay, and after that you just have to check if low is greater than high, then you just have to return the null and just find the mid value, low plus high minus low by 2. This is the standard way to find the mid. You can also find the value from high plus low by 2, but this one reduce some size, so you just can find the mid through this way also. And let's tree node star root, which is new tree node array of mid and root ka left is equals to helper of array comma low comma mid -1, and again you will write the function for right value. Root ka right equals to helper array comma mid +1 comma high. Okay, then return the root. Let's run this code, whether this works properly or not. Maybe this works fine. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching my videos.